Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. See Benin Ore Road under APC government. It be like River Niger. This na federal road and na federal government suppose fix this road. Make you know the flood. Make I leave you, make you hear from the people wey talk for inside this flood.
This is Ore. Every flood, Lagos Road don close. Flood don cover everywhere for Lagos Road. This is Ore. Flood don close. No road. Ore. Make una see the flood. Lagos Road Ore. Road closed. See flood. Lagos Road don Jabrata. Make dem drill drainage, dem no gree dey drill the road. Drill the erosions, all the stream. Nigeria government dey for where? And to share money, not just sabi. Now the water don vex, all the juju don vex. Dem don come block the road. Una see people dey pass. And Lagos Road be this o. Lagos Road. When I sorry. Una see flood. Make una see flood. Una see flood. Yes! Over there. Chief. Hey! Come on there. No, my brother. I'm not food. Come on there. This is Lagos Road. That water go carry motor. That water is go. Go carry motor. You motor go carry up. Na great. And he don't know how to swim. He don't know how to swim. He don't know how to swim. That place get drainage. That place get drainage. Una dey see am? Any old man pass my brother. Una dey see am? Una dey see am? Lagos Road Ore. Lagos Road Ore. Una dey see am? Lagos Road Ore. This is Ore. Lagos Road. Benin Express Road. Lagos Benin Express Road. Ore. Water don cross road. No road here again. No road. No road here again.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.